In the first video I posted, someone asked me how do I add a thumbnail, and I want to share because why not? So I'm going to turn the camera and show you. So you're going to go to Canva, as you can see here. I'm on Canva, and then you're going to search for, you can just search thumbnail, whatever kind of thumbnail you have, and you have a variety of them here that have been displayed, and so you decide to pick. There are some that you'd have to pay for, but some are free. So for sure, I as Wangeshi, I use the free one, so maybe I can use this one. Okay, so I've picked this one. You're going to click customize the template. I have set my laptop in a way where it opens in a new tab, so here it is. So now it's just to cut. Okay, so I've picked this one. You're going to click customize the template. I have set my laptop in a way where it opens in a new tab, so here it is. So now it's just to cut.
Customize it. Usually I start with the pictures. I'm going to put my own pictures here, and then I'll change the text. Okay,
finished editing your thumbnail and you've downloaded it to your computer. The download option is usually on your top right on Canva. I forgot to record that, but I made one and I downloaded it. You're going to go to, while you're uploading your video, just at the first level where you're adding your details to your video. After you've added the description, at the bottom there you have thumbnail. You click on thumbnail, and then you're going to, if I've already put mine, so here there are usually 3 options. You're going to upload your own thumbnail, and then once you upload your own thumbnail, it's going to show just like this one. I hope this is helpful. I don't know if you can see my outfit. I'm going for too early for bed. I'm so excited.
Faded paint on your Impala. Red is never gonna look the same. Even when the sky at end of days lighting up your face like portraits hang in your apartment. Never have they looked at me that way. I can't help but wonder what they say as they catch the daylight. But when you look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it kills me every time. Driving around the city with my eyes closed, no phone in the afterglow. It was you, babe. But when you look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it fills me with desire. Cause even when the sky is falling, you are all I want. I can't do anything. Talk your shit, you got your battles with enemies who live inside your head. Hands are tied and eyes are burning red. Nothing left unsaid, no. But when you look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it kills me every time. Driving around the city with my eyes closed, no phone in the afterglow. It was you, babe. But when you look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it fills me with desire. Cause even when the sky is falling, you are all I want. I can't do anything.
Who says that I've got the answer? Jumping through hoops.
So everyone needs compassion, but love will never fade. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, kindness of a Savior. Shine your light out, let the whole world see. We're living for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see.
Who says that I've got the answer? Jumping through hoops, looping tight. You look so pretty. Oh. Does the fish know it's in water? Do we all share the same sky? Caught swimming upstream. Everybody's trying to do big things. Storm running through rain. Nobody's gonna win that race. This long day short. Forgot what we're working towards. Face red, heart blue. Telling lies I wish were true. How do I feel? What's been missing? Same look, just gone out of style. What price does one pay to fit in? Empty shelves fill every aisle.
Tell us what's happening.
I'm at La Rocha. We're watching Ali for Birds.
Too early.
Too early for birds. The worms have run away. Yeah, it's really nice. We're learning about Tomboya. I think my only concern is at some point the narration is more than the playing. And I was here for a
Caught swimming upstream.
yeah, but I'm having a good
Everybody's
time.
trying to do big
Feeling
things.
nice.
Storm running through rain. Nobody's gonna win that race. This long day short. Forgot what we're working towards.